Yeah, I'm doing it again. Yeah. I know. I'm in this same parking lot. I think I've started the past like 3 days worth of videos in this parking lot. I don't know. But this time we're going that way. I'm gonna go the opposite way on the highway. Which in a way sucks because there's more lights and stuff. But that means more chance for interaction. Something cool or funny or interesting to happen. So I'm gonna try to mix it up a little bit. However, fair warning, I'm very in my head today about stuff. So oh, look at that. Right turn on red. This will probably be a shorter video just because I don't think I'm gonna end up talking much because I don't really know what to talk about. Like I said, I'm kind of in my head right now, but we'll see when I edit this video if it's actually short or not. Last one was kind of short. It's a nice Camaro. That's what I'm looking for, but going the same way as me, preferably. Challenger going the other way, pimped out, a whole bunch of stickers and stuff. Maybe I should just say, what is that? Look at that Porsche. I don't know, the camera's probably not really going to see that. Pimped out Golf. Yeah, I'm going to turn around. Yeah. Alright, change of plans. I wasn't going to go the same way again, but there's a bunch of nice cars going that way. And today would be a good opportunity to race somebody just because of like the weather and stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing. My plan is loop around here, cut in there, go through the parking lot a little, and then sneak out right there. Not have to wait for any lights. I'm gonna stop here like the law-abiding citizen I am, because I follow every single traffic law. And we'll also just stop here. But thanks to editing magic, it looks like I didn't stop. I'm gonna zoom in on that guy, but it's probably not gonna pick it up. But he was staring at me with like the old face, like the that looks nice face, which is funny because like I heard his car, so I looked over. Your car sounds good, bro. If only he saw the ZX-10. But it's currently still illegal, so I'm being smart and not riding it. Get off your phone, lady. Look at that. If I just keep staring at her, she'll get the hint. She gonna know their light screen? Oh, of course she does. You could stop sending a text. Just ran the red arrow? Good job. What a great driver. I'm so happy that people like that are on the same road. What are you doing? What the? Oh, I really hope the camera picked that. I'm definitely going to try to zoom in on that. Dude just straight up drove onto the curb and it was throwing up some weird hand signs, acting like the person in front of him was dumb when he's on it. What am I seeing today, dude? Is that the same Camaro I just turned around for? Okay. What is happening? Alright, we're off to kind of wild start today with traffic. Got people driving over the curb, over the shoulder, tailgating. Oh, there's a car show. Screw it. We're going to it. I did not even know about that, but how convenient. It's it looked like it's one of those classic car shows, which I'm be honest, it's typically old white people, and typically when you ride a bike around them, they just stare at you judgmentally. So I'm gonna expect a lot of that, but I'm simply gonna mind my business, ride through, look at some cars, take a couple ganders, as they'd say, and leave. If I'm even allowed to just ride through it. They might yell at me, I don't know. I'm the same as a car. I mean a person. I see two C8s with another Corvette. Okay, that car's just driving through it, so I'm gonna do the same. Some older Corvettes, whatever that is. No, I'm just kidding. Camaros, new Corvettes. This guy's not looking where he's going. Scat Pack. More Mustangs. That's a Fox body, right? Yeah. Some newer Mustangs. Oh, a Shelby. There we go. I like those. So far, I'm not feeling too judged, which is nice. Nice C8. Okay, listen, no hate, right? Just a genuine question. Why do they buy cars like that to not drive them? To just keep them in the garage? What's the point? I'm all for keeping your vehicles looking nice, right? Absolutely. But drive them. That's the whole point. That's the whole point of buying a vehicle, is to drive it. Put it on the road, get it out there. And you can still make it look nice. Just wash it when you get home. Like it blows my mind. Why spend that much money on something to sit it in your garage? I don't know of anybody that does that with bikes. Like, I don't know anybody that's like, oh, I'm going to buy an H2 and then just keeps it for show. New Beamer. I don't know if that's even part of the show or if it's just parked there. I'll do one last run through. They even got trucks here. A Bronco. Trans Am. Whatever that is. The girl with the Fair Lane or whatever it was called that I just raced in the last video should come here. Yeah, these are really nice C8s. Damn. Alright, well, I passed through enough. I did notice a lot of people looking at the bike. I didn't really notice faces because doesn't count, but I'll still wave back. I didn't really notice what kind of facial expressions they had because I was too busy looking at the cars and stuff. What kind of Lancer driver are you? Because I also have a Lancer. And I obviously, text and drive. I obviously don't drive slow in my car. As long as she doesn't hit me. But I kind of want to pull into here to look at the nice cars they have for sale. For example, sometimes there's a Bentley and stuff there. I saw it. Kind of want to get a close-up look at that, but maybe some other time. I'll pull into the bike dealership up here and end this one just because I don't want it to get too long. Try to keep my videos around like 11 or 12 minutes, like around the 10 to 12 minute mark. Sometimes I hit 13 or 14, which I don't think is too bad, but I try to keep them around 10 or 11-ish. I'm gonna look at the bikes through the window. It's a Duke something, I don't know. It's all four-wheelers up front. It's lame. Well, there goes a nice car. That's it's unfortunate. Well, I'll hurry up and end this one with a reflection of me. So there I am. You get to see what I look like a little bit more. But thank you for watching. I hope it was entertaining. Got to see some older and classic cars, so a little bit of a mix-up. But I'm going to head that way, record another video, and hopefully catch up to that nice car down there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.